Hello everybody, so today in this video I have a little box of goodies from Dekai Anime. They asked if they could send me over a few Pokemon food goodies that are new in. And of course I said yes because my favourite noodles in the world are literally these Pokemon noodles that I just adore. So I haven't looked in, but I have opened the box. So we get another one of these. There's one for every season, which I absolutely adore. Love this. Hannah does such a good job on these, and yeah, they're just amazing. I get a matching sticker, which is awesome because I love these stickers already. Okay. First thing I'm seeing in here is my ultimate favourite, the Pokemon Noodle. I can't stress to you enough how much I adore these noodles, and the only place you can really get them now is from Dekai Anime, so yeah. These are the soy sauce ones. You can also get the seafood ones. I don't think I'd be that keen on the seafood ones. I'm not 100% sure, but stick with the soy ones because the soy ones, oh my word, they are incredible. Okay, next item here is Pokemon Instant Curry, pork and vegetable flavour. Oh my goodness. Okay. That is incredible. Okay. So these, I'm assuming, are little sachets. I don't want to open it. I want to keep it forever. I definitely don't want to wreck my nails. Okay. Okay, so you get 2 sachets of, I'm assuming, the curry mix. You mix it with rice, I'm guessing. Oh, you also get a... Oh wow, you get a little sticker in here as well. That's really cute. It's Scorbunny and Pikachu. Is it a little bit shiny? Yeah, it's got a little bit of holographicness to it as well. That's really cool. And then as well in here, there is a little colouring in thing where you can do your own colouring in here as well. So that's really cute. I love the fact that you, with like all of this stuff, you get like an extra sticker. That's a really nice touch. I'm trying to put it all back together, but I'm failing. And here we have got Noodle, Pokemon Noodle rice topping. This is kind of the Pikachus that you get on the noodles, you know, the instant noodles. And then I think it's got seaweed. Yes, it's got seaweed and sweet corn in it as well. Boiled fish paste, reduced sugar syrup. So yeah, this you throw it on the top of your noodles and it gives them a little bit of extra zing. That is adorable. Look at that. It's Pikachu. I don't know what it is though. Furykaki? Rice seasoning. Okay, so you put this on your rice and it gives it a little extra zing again. I keep saying zing. I've never used the word zing before in my life, but apparently today is the day I've decided I'm going to use it for everything. So yeah, that is adorable. Should I taste some? Do you taste rice seasoning? Oh, you even get like ears. Oh, their feet. Are they ears? Are they ears? They're ears! Okay, I'm so confused. Yeah, they're little ears that you can stick on. So let's do that. This is really cute. That is actually worth it. That looks incredible. I love that. And little Pikachu's winking. When you're like trying to pull it off and it's literally... Ooh. Okay, it smells very fishy. But sesame? Maybe like sesame and fish, I'm not sure. But that's... Does it tell me on here what it is? Yeah, like literally the second ingredient is sesame. Soybean, sesame powder. So yeah, that's a really interesting thing. This is the sort of thing that you would never tend to get like in the UK. So that's really good, I like that. That's thumbs up. And the last item is another kind of one of the topping things. This one is... oh no, this is a soup mix. Okay. So I think you get 4 sachets, possibly. And yeah, this is just a soup mix. That's so cool. Like, seriously, these little things that are all branded, I'm a sucker for them. But if this tastes anything near as good as the instant noodles, I'm sold. Because the instant noodles are my favourite thing ever. So yeah, these are all awesome and available now at Dekai Anime. I'll put a link in the down bar if you want to go and check out Dekai Anime. I will, again, when I eat these, I'll post it on my Instagram when I do. Because I always love showing these off because they have these little Pikachus inside them. You can't see because my camera, the light doesn't work. But these are incredible. They're so cute. So yeah, me and little seasoning Pikachu say goodbye. That'd be good for ASMR. Right? So that's it. I have rambled far too much. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you all in the next one. Adios.